So in this video, we will be taking apart the motherboard on a 3160 laptop.
In this part of the video, we're taking apart the battery and the hard drive.
Now we are taking apart the wireless card and the RAM.
I'm so alone, nothing feels like home. I'm so alone, trying to find my way back home to you. I'm so alone, nothing feels like home. I'm so alone, trying to find my way back home to you.
In this part, we are taking apart the DCN.
We are unplugging the ribbons and cables off the motherboard to get ready to take out the motherboard itself and replace it.
Alright, now this is where we take out the motherboard and we replace it with a new one.
Now what you're going to do is you're going to plug in all the wires that go onto the motherboard and replace all the parts and put them right back into the computer just as you took them out. You cannot mess up any of the wires, otherwise your motherboard and your whole computer will not work.
And that is how you replace the motherboard on a 3160.